for business, including computer networking and systems administration.
He is part of the company ETI in Oregon, where he is a research scientist specializing in subtle energy and vital force technology.
Please welcome sa milyon! Let's all welcome Dr. Arthur Nazaro!
I love it here. Not bad for the first date with the country. It happened that I never been to the Philippines.
Where are you going?
I've been
You
several
will have
times to
dinner in a
China,
short while.
been to Japan, been to Cambodia, Taiwan, several times to Australia. I've been to Fiji, but it happened that I've never been to this wonderful country. And when we got invited, definitely I was very curious about people, and I never meet people from these countries too. And what I'm going to see here. But you know how universe works? In the plane to San Francisco, where I was going to catch my flight to Manila, a guy was sitting next to me. We started talking, and he told me that he is a doctor, a retired surgeon, and he is 72 now. All his life he worked at the Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore, Maryland, and now he is enjoying his life in Oregon. When I told him that I'm going to Manila, he got very excited. You know what he told me? All my personnel, all my nurses who helped me in the Johns Hopkins Hospital, they were from Philippines. And these people, they stick together, they live as a family, they smile wherever happens. And because as a doctor I didn't have time to go to eat or to have rest, they adopted me and they took good care of me. They are the best people in the world. And there is more, he told me. That my father, he's still alive, he's 100 years old. He is sharp and smart, but he started losing his vision, and he needs a helper. And he got a guy, his name is Charlie, and he is also from Philippines, and he is the best caretaker ever. So I was introduced to this country before I even got my plane to Manila. I'm very honored and happy to be with you, the best people in the world. I was preparing my lecture and I was hoping that organizers will give me 30 minutes, but I found out that just 10 minutes, so we're going to make it very quick. I love science, but I don't want you to be bored with some scientific stuff. Let's go directly to the next slides, to the picture. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Okay. The first slides which we skipped were basically a solid scientific evidence that cell phones are dangerous for our health. You know that we have now in the world more cell phones than population in the world. More than 7 billion cell phones in the world. In some countries like Philippines, we have a little bit more than 100 people living here. You have about 100 million cell phones. In some countries like Russia and United Arab Emirates, we have about 2 phones per person. In a small country like Panama, we have 3 phones per person. And there are scientific evidences that it's harmful, it's a potential risk of cancer, maybe Alzheimer, maybe leukemia. But who is the most danger? Our babies. Because as you see, child's cranium bone in the brain much more affected by this harmful radiation. As scientists, we wanted to know, can we help somehow with that? Let's go to the next one. And that's the technology which I'm introducing to you, which is called Vital Force technology. And we can do a lot of very interesting things, including the stickers on the phone. Next slide, please. That's how our technology works. I'm not going to tell you in details because I need probably several hours to explain you all particular details, how it works. Next. Next, please. Next, please. That's our company, and you see infusion chambers, and you see the building, and we are able to infuse as many stickers or as many different products as we want. It's scalable and also possible to be implemented, for example, here in the Philippines. Next slide. And so how this sticker works, you see the picture of a meridian's chakra, so-called subtle body. So our stickers work with the subtle body. Next slide. Also, in the sticker, Schumann resonance embedded. Next slide. And you see that Schumann resonance miraculously connected to our brain activity. Next slide. And that's how we measure that this sticker works. You see the so-called EEG, electroencephalogram, when electrode placed on the head of a person, and then with the phone and without the phone, we make measurements. Next slide. And you see, to the left, that's how brain looks without any distortion caused by the phone. It is green, which means good. When the telephone plays to your ear, you see the frontal lobe of your brain is getting red, which is mean that it's over excited, and so which could cause a loss of memory, lack of attention. But the next picture, you see if you play the sticker, everything gets better. Next slide, please. That's Energy, the sticker which I brought the whole box with me on a plane, and you see what it does to the water. Next to the sticker you see the water, how it got structured with this sticker placed on it. And some people use it on the plants. The plant to the right, if you see the leaves, they're much better than to the control to its left. Because I'm a scientist, on my way to Manila with just 14 hours to fly, I put two stickers together and put on my neck and placed it here. Because from some people we have testimonials that it could kill jet lag. I do believe people, but I decided to check on myself. We have 15 hours time difference in Oregon with Manila. Now it's a deep night in Oregon, but I don't feel any jet lag, so that small thing made miracles. And besides the scientific proofs that it works, I'm gladly to show on anyone of you using so-called muscle testing how it works. So with you people, the best people in the world, and the best in marketing, and with our technology, which ahead of our time about for 100 years, we can do miracles. And I want to tell that there is a sticker on the chair which I'm sitting on. It says International Partner. I don't agree. I feel here at home. And maybe you can adopt me as you adopted the surgeon at the hospital. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, and that happens to be very exciting right now because that's going to be one of our products actually in the pipeline. Thank you, Mr. Igor. It's actually like an eye protect against radiation.
Safe na kahit tabi mo yung konsepto mo sa tabi mo talaga.
Kasi ang laki pala ng taas pala ng EMF nito, radiation nito. And not only that, sinabi niya rin na, you know, to lessen the effect of jet lag. Yeah. And fortunately, opposite yung time, it's nighttime in Oregon. Yes. So, tama-tama. So, yan po, no? Product in the pipeline, ila-launch po ng AIM Global yan. And of course, meron pa tayong isa.
Si mga surprise natin, ang founder ng Vital Force Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, join us. Okay, please watch this first.
From Mr. Yuri Kron.
Hello everybody, this is Dr. Yuri Kron of Energy Tools International. I am inventor of the Vital Force technology that is capable of generating, storing, reproducing and infusing subtle energy known as a life force to the edges. Using the unique energy patterns created during many years of working with Vital Force technology, we created 4 global exceptional products, energy pendants and stickers for cell phones. They're made to effectively counteract negative effects of electromagnetic radiation on human brain and body, at the same time to improve body's physical endurance and performance. The term energy came from the English word energy and Chinese word qi, as they call the life force. According to traditional Chinese medicine and philosophy, balanced flow of qi through the body is vitally important for our health and longevity. So, the energy products are made to improve and strengthen the body's energetic system and balance and strengthen its ability to resist to negative external influences. On behalf of the whole PTA family, happy 11th anniversary to you all. Our team and I personally are very happy to be part of this event and honored to become a part of your family. I look forward to meeting you all.
Alright, and to give us some more idea about the products we will launch very soon.
Custodian, Mr.
To talk about more about the products.
Yeah. Guys, so welcome sa milyon! Iya, 2 milyon! 3 milyon! At milyon palakpak, Dr. Ed Cabanto! Good morning, Nova! Are you excited? Are you excited with the new products that we have? Some of you have attended the Maple Academy and had a glimpse of the new products that will be launching all over the world within the next few months. Okay, to start with, do we have the AVP? Do we have the AVP or should I proceed with the PowerPoint?
Hello everybody, this is Dr.
Let's watch this first. few months, guys, within the next few months, we are upgrading the iProtect pendants that we all have right now. We are upgrading it to a newer version that is infused with energy. So just like what Jordan had mentioned, our iProtect products not only for bacteria, it's not only for virus, but now it can also protect us from the harmful effects of the electromagnetic radiations. Because for so many years, there have been documented studies that this electromagnetic radiations coming from the internet, coming from the electricity, from the computer, from the all of the electrical appliances in our household, in our offices, they are emitting electromagnetic radiations. And in some studies they say, if you put your cell phone beside your bed, when you go to sleep or in your bed before you go to sleep, the following day it's either you're irritable, it's either you lack focus, or you lack attention, or you feel sluggish. So they highly suggest to put a device or a gadget that will diffuse all of this electromagnetic radiations, and we're coming up with a product like that. Next slide, please. There you go, the designs. Okay, this will be the next breakthrough product in energy enhancement. Next slide, please. It enhances our body's own natural frequency. So we'll be coming up with better iProtect pendants, black against gold, gold against black. If you would notice, we have a specific pendant for the African continent because we're so much present in Africa, in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Uganda, in Kenya. So we're coming up with a specialized pendant just for Africa. African delegates, are you happy with this? Okay. So energy is the new energy, ladies and gentlemen. The energy that will revolutionize this industry. Next slide. So watch out for this. We're upgrading our iProtect pendant. And again, the diffuser for the electromagnetic radiation is also an energy sticker, where we could place at the back of our cell phones, at our laptops, at our iPads, at our devices, and all of the electrical devices at our home, so that it could be EMR or electromagnetic radiation free. Next slide. There you go as a sample. Next slide, please. On your tablets. Next. Okay, another product that we are launching within the next few months as well. Very, very few, or if I'm not mistaken, there are only 1 or 2 players in the market for this particular industry, for this particular product market segment that we want to capitalize on. It's called molecular hydrogen. Next slide. Okay, we're coming up with our own portable molecular hydrogen devices. What it does, it will add more hydrogen atoms, more hydrogen particles to our existing water, making our water super mega antioxidant as possible. And since hydrogen molecules, these are the smallest molecules that can penetrate even the cells of our bodies, it will help us become even more healthier. Next. It comes out also with a cosmetic version, which on continuous use, it will provide you with an anti-aging effect, more cellular metabolism, more cellular renewal. It can also whiten your skin, removes all the wrinkles and eye bags and what have you in your face to give you an effect of making you look 5 to 10 years younger. The good thing with this, all you need to do is add water. Add water and it makes the water very, very healthy. Okay, next. Okay, here's how you rejuvenate your skin using that particular device. It has a magnetic tip that synergizes with the water that's being created by having more hydrogen molecules. Next. I think we have some testimony of this. Because this product has been studied and researched for quite some time. In fact, there are 700 human clinical studies proving that this product is really, really healthy and can commit to enhancing our health enhancing the prevention and even to the point that it could treat some of the existing diseases that we have. Next, please. There you go. Whitening effect, moisturizing effect, anti-wrinkle, and even good for acne or pimples. Next. That is for the cosmetic version. Are you excited with this? There you go. Very, very soon, the next generation of water, the most powerful super antioxidant coming from ordinary water being created again to create more and more hydrogen molecules. Our Ultra H2 molecular hydrogen portable device. Next slide, please. Apart from these new products that we're launching within the next few months, we have also heard last Friday in our AIM Academy event of a particular ingredient. An ingredient that is starting to have so much popularity for the past few years because of its efficacy, because of its effectiveness, because of dozens and dozens of human clinical studies backing this up, and it's called Estro-G 100. Next slide. It's a market, the market that we want to tap on is around $3 to $5 billion market worldwide. And it's a growing global menopausal market, meaning for the women entering the age of late 30s, they have this feeling, they have this manifestation that we will discuss later on and how this particular ingredient can help them out to relieve them of this particular signs and symptoms. Next. There you go. Clinically proven has shown them that this particular signs and symptoms like hot flashes or night sweats, formication, dryness on the reproductive system, rheumatic pain, fatigue, vertigo, nervousness, insomnia, paresthesia, all of this can be relieved or even treated by this particular active ingredient that is proven to be so much effective than the counterpart, which has been generating sales for almost $5 billion, and it's not even that effective. And this particular product that we have is so effective that we know we can conquer this market segment. Not only in the Philippines, not only in Asia, but also in other continents like Africa and the US, okay, because this is so much effective. Next. It's FDA approved, it's all natural, it's backed up with dozens of human clinical studies, it's proven effective for human consumption to treat all of those signs and symptoms that you've seen and heard. Next. It's superior than isoflavones because when you usually get to that age, it's either you use the hormonal replacement therapy, which they call HRT, or you would prefer the organic and natural alternative, which is isoflavones. The good thing with Estro-G 100 is that it's proven way, way superior and more effective and better than isoflavones. So definitely the sales of this particular product will shoot up to the roof. Next. Estro-G 100 at AIM Global coming very, very soon. So watch out for that particular product that will be launching not only here in the Philippines, but again all over the world.